Here at Lloyd Land Rover Newcastle, we are pleased to present this 2022 plate Range Rover Velar, finished in Hakuba Silver. It comes enhanced by 20-inch alloy wheels, our dynamic black exterior pack and roof rails. It also comes with one previous owner and 12 months warranty and roadside assistance, making this a vehicle you can buy with complete peace of mind. At the rear, you'll find a large and practical boot space, perfectly suited for everyday use or big adventures. Step inside and you're welcomed by a beautifully crafted cabin with a Meridian sound system and Light Oyster leather and Ebony suede seats that create a luxurious environment. Both front and rear are spacious and comfortable with plenty of legroom throughout. The modern dashboard has two touchscreens for car controls, like navigation, CarPlay and vehicle modes. Above you, the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere. The multifunction steering wheel gives you easy access to volume, voice control, lane assist, cruise control and heated steering buttons. Comfort is guaranteed thanks to the heated front seats and climate control, giving you control of temperature. Meanwhile, a rear camera makes parking and manoeuvring easy. The sunroof can also be opened for fresh air and light on those nicer days. This exceptional Velar could be yours today. For more information or to get in touch, please follow the link in the description below.